Good morning. Some potentially difficult conditions, particularly on the roads, to get the day underway today. Thanks to temperatures falling away overnight, there's a risk of ice just about anywhere on untreated surfaces. But thanks to a weather front working its way south across the UK, there's also the potential for some snow to throw into the mix as well. We've already seen some snow showers across northern Scotland and the northeast of England. Expect a fresh covering here in some areas for first thing on Wednesday. But it's this line you see here further south that could perhaps bring some unexpected coverings first thing across parts of eastern Wales, the Midlands and the southeast of England, and potentially perhaps some of that snow falling as well during the really difficult hours of the rush hour. It should be quite transient. Once the sun comes out later, we should see that snow melting away, but certainly it could make for some pretty difficult road surfaces and reduced visibilities as that front works its way south first thing this morning. Further north, the skies are much clearer. There'll be a lot of early morning sunshine, but it will be a cold start to the day. And coming in on the northerly breeze, we will see further snow showers feeding into northern Scotland. They potentially will ease back a little later on in the day. Quite a dragging northerly wind to the east of the UK will still feed in some further showers, and yes, they will be wintry into coastal regions of eastern England, anywhere really from southeastern Scotland as far south as East Anglia. But as our weather front pulls away from the southeast, we should see some quite widespread sunshine through the afternoon, and that should melt any of the snow that we could see lying around from the early part of the day. As we head through the evening though and overnight into Thursday with clear skies, temperatures are going to fall away very sharply. Towns and cities below zero. Out into rural areas we could be looking at lows of -6, -7, maybe even -8 in rural Scotland where we have lying snow. That cold night, thanks to a ridge of high pressure, all of that cold air still sitting around on Thursday as this low starts to move in. The two come together and there is the potential for a sustained period of snow across western Scotland, some significant accumulations, particularly above about 100 or 200 metres through the central belt for a while as well, and a chance of some winterier weather across northern England for a time too. But eventually milder air does tend to wrap round our low as it slides further south, and it's rain I think that we'll look at swinging across Northern Ireland and into England and Wales later on Thursday. But a pretty wet and windy story. It looks a lot quieter across the UK though on the whole as we head to the start of the weekend, but it will remain cold both by day and by night.